the rest of the term is, here after break we're going to talk about this right here. What about the neuroeffector at a neuromuscular junction, right, which is what we're going to talk about there and how skeletal muscles work. And then we'll spend the rest of the term talking about this exactly right here. What's going to be different are the targets. Cardiac muscle, smooth muscle in the urinary system or whatever, right? So we'll look at this in context of particular organs that we talked about before. But kind of just keep this in mind. You know, this is our autonomic nervous system. Here's the ganglion, short pre, long post, and sympathetic, long pre, short post, and parasympathetic. What happens in the ganglia? The same in both. Okay, there. Neurotransmitters that are released here, acetylcholine on a muscarinic receptor, norepinephrine on an adrenergic receptor. Now, what also happens, just to kind of reinforce the sympathetic response, is that your adrenal gland is also stimulated to release adrenaline, and adrenaline is epinephrine. And epinephrine has the exact same, almost exact same effect on these receptors as well as the neurotransmitter. So all of this is doing is reinforcing or supplementing a sympathetic response. Okay? This crisis response is reinforced this way. This is why it takes longer to recover from a sympathetic response, is because we need all of these, not only the neurotransmitters, but the hormones that were released to diffuse away and to be removed from the synapse inhibition. Okay? So that's the autonomic nervous system. As I mentioned before, we're going to see this in action with every other system that we're going to cover the rest of the term. Let's take a break, and when we get back from the break, what I want to focus on for the next little bit of time in class is what happens right here. Okay? And in particular, how does the effector work, and what are the neurotransmitters, et cetera, that are